Hello everyone! I got myself a live cicada on the palm of my hand. Well, today I'm going to talk to you about something special. It's about the basic sound of our Ilonggo vowels. The first vowel in the Filipino or Hiligaynon alphabet is the letter A. However, we don't have the long A sound. It's only the ah sound. So you say A as ah, and it is written this way. This is the Baybayin rendering for the letter A or the letter ah. Ah. The Baybayin in the Hiligaynon dialect is called badlit. The next vowels are E and I. The sound could be either E or I. The E or the I is written with the same Baybayin or badlit character, which is this one. Third vowel is the O and U, written this way. So there's only one character in the Baybayin writing that represents the O or U sound, which is O or U. There are a lot of characters in the Baybayin system of writing, and we will discuss it in another video. So the first consonant next to the vowel is the letter B. The B in Baybayin is written this way. It's always pronounced with the A sound. You say it as ba, ang letrang ba. Dot or a comma on top of the letter ba will change the sound to be or B. If the mark is written below the letter ba, the sound would then change to bo or bu. Ba, e, bi, bo, bu. Sometimes you will find an X or a cross below the consonant. In this example, the letter B loses its vowel sound whenever you see an X or a cross. So the sound is just B. B. It was Father Francisco Lopez in his own writing that introduced the cross as a symbol of Christianity, but the original marking would have been X. The X or the cross is a marker to omit the sound right in front of the consonant, so it just becomes B. With the three letters that we know today, I tried to write the name of my daughter, Bea, using the three Baybayin alphabets, but it turns out that I'm wrong. So let's find out in our next video which one was wrong. Or if you know your Baybayin, you would know that something is spelled wrong in this writing. So until then, see you next time. Let's learn more about the Ilonggo alphabet, badlit, or the Baybayin, the Filipino alphabet. Until then, this is Joan of Art. I love you all, and see you at our next video. Wait, where's the cicada? Where's my cicada?